going to be with Nvidea control panel. You find it right here. First of all, the digital vibrance. This is the one that's going to make probably the biggest impact. And it's at 50. I'm just going to pull up Google. See, it doesn't look too bad, but all these little stars are going to look crazy good now. Like, just look at that. That looks, I don't know, it just seems so much more, it seems to pop. Maybe it doesn't work through video, but just trust me, try it out. Tell me how you like it, and this actually helps a lot when you're playing games, and I'm really sure it gives you a competitive edge, especially if you turn up this gamma and the brightness. Alright, obviously it's going to make your Google look a little bit different, but when you're in a game like CSGO or PUBG where there's a lot of shadows, you're going to be able to cut right through them. However, if you're just going to be desktop browsing, then you can leave this at the original settings, but the digital vibrance is going to change everything for the better. Makes everything look a lot nicer and fuller. Alright, and we're back with Nvidia color settings on, and I can already tell this looks a lot nicer, a lot brighter. Even the skins look a little bit better in my opinion. Just look around though, it's a lot brighter. These shadows don't really seem like they do anything to hurt your vision at all. You can see right through them. I think this gives you a big advantage in games and just making your computer look nicer, just your desktop look nicer. Yeah, just look at this. Sorry, chicken.